Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this amazing microscope that was sent to me from Brainstorm Toys. The microscope comes with instructions, a magnifier, tweezers, labels, a scooper, 2 vials, a petri dish, 3 prepared slides and some empty slides so you can prepare your own samples. The microscope has 3 magnifications which are 100 times, 300 times and 450 times. It's able to tilt and this allows you to enable a better observation. It also has different colour lights and you can rotate this part to change the colour. This focus dial moves up and down which allows you to adjust the focus until you see a clear image. To use it, you just place the slide here and move the clips to secure it in place, and then you can look through the eyepiece to see the magnified image. So the first sample I'll be looking at is this red EVA plastic, and this one looks really interesting when it's magnified 450 times. The next slide are samples of synthetic fibres, and I'll be looking at the polyester sample, and this one kind of looks like here when it's magnified. The next slide are samples of seaweed. This one is lava seaweed. And this sample is kelp. I also use the blank slides to make my own samples. This one is kinetic sand. The next sample I'm going to be looking at is some glitter. And the last sample is some salt, which looks like ice cubes when magnified. Well, that's all for today's video. I really enjoyed trying out this microscope. It was like exploring a whole new miniature world. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!